designed for the microwave. And then when it comes time to store it, let's collapse it flat. What do you say, Chef Rick Roman?
Oh, that's what I love. Imagine, David, cooking an entire chicken and the vegetables in your microwave. This is the ultimate microwave cooking system. It's because it has this collapsible lid that can raise up high. So I did a whole 4.5-pound chicken. All you have to do is put your chicken in there, season it, put the vegetables, put the cover on, and you can cook chicken in your microwave.
Let's be very clear. This does not brown the chicken. You want to add some seasoning to brown it, right? But it will cook the chicken thoroughly, and it's this unique system that allows you to do that.
Yeah, so this was the raw chicken. We seasoned it, we take it, we put it in the microwave, cover it up. Okay.
For how long?
This is going to be about 30 minutes in the microwave. So you can cook.
In a regular oven, you're talking at least an hour.
Oh, yeah, so depending on the power of your microwave and the size of the chicken. But here's how this works, okay? First of all, this is made of silicone and glass, so super high quality, no plastic pieces. The lid itself collapses all the way down flat. So now this becomes the ultimate universal lid, so you can go to your stovetop if you're cooking something greasy like bacon, onto your small pans just like this.
Oh, I love how it's collecting all of the heat.
And it has a steam vent here, so it's going to let that bacon still get crispy. But you can also go from a small pan like this with bacon, come with me with the camera here, to a large stock pot on the stovetop.
Is that chili?
So that's chili in there.
Okay, there's chili.
But that's just the lid, by the way. The lid itself is worth the price of admission, and you can see it expands all the way out to get nice and high. But inside, what we've done is we've given you a glass bottom with heavy-duty silicone with an actual raised plate so that you can put your meats, your proteins. You can even put those pot stickers with a little bit of moisture under here and steam your pot stickers in here.
Chicken broth.
Chicken broth, exactly. So it becomes a system.
Pot stickers and yummy.
Exactly.
Yummy. All right, now let me talk to you about, we only have 2 colors to choose from. I wouldn't care if it were purple with yellow polka dots.
Exactly.
I wouldn't care if it was the color of your shirt. Not that I don't like your shirt. This is the red, and this is the gray all collapsed. Now that's all the pieces that you get if you want to collapse it down and then store it.
Correct. See how compact it is? Yep.
If you don't have a lot of room in your kitchen, if you have maybe an efficiency kitchen, you live in a big city, or you have what's called, and I hate this name because it just implies small, galley.
Exactly.
A galley kitchen, meaning you got enough room for your stove and your refrigerator and then maybe a postage stamp of counter space.
Now, here's the thing about it. So it's stovetop, it's microwave, it's also a plate cover. So if you're just using the cover, you want to reheat maybe some of those hamburgers that you were just doing with because it has that nice high lid, you can do things nice and high. But also, if you have a more shallow plate, guess what? You can compact it down just to cover a normal plate. And then when you're using it as a cover on the pots and when you're storing it, it only takes up a couple inches. But for me, the difference with us is we're giving you this insert. So you can put your salmon, your chicken, your pork, whatever it is. This is going to raise it up off the bottom to allow that grease to drain in. Then you have a glass bottom with a super high quality silicone. So it becomes a complete system, unlike just the covers. Up here, what I did is I did a whole salmon dinner. So notice how I'm using it with a collapse slightly. I put my salmon and my vegetables, and I cooked it, and it allows the fats to drain away because it has this mat.
What you stuff the salmon with?
That's a little crab meat. That's actually we helped with our friends from Egg Harbor, so it's
kind of like a salmon Oscar, isn't it?
And here's the great thing too. You have the cook and look lid, the glass. You have the vent that allows just enough steam to come out, and it keeps everything nice and moist when you're cooking it. Here we have some leftovers. Again, you can use it to reheat things. So you can cook from raw, you can reheat, and then you can use the lid on the stovetop.
This looks like that pork that Chef Jeremy was making.
Exactly. So
is it?
This is the pork.
Oh, so good.
And I love for me that it's silicone and glass because there's no plastic in this. And that to me, when I'm in the microwave.
Yeah, this is glass.
This is glass, okay?
This is glass and this is silicone.
Yeah. And
so you're talking about really, really strong materials that can take a licking.
Take a licking, dishwasher safe. And once again, because when it's collapsed, now it becomes a universal lid for all the pots and pans.
When I was watching you back here with the burgers.
Yeah.
Now transport yourself into summertime.
Yeah.
Think heat.
Here you go.
All right. And you've made some burgers ahead of time,
That's
and
right.
you need to cover them to keep the bugs and the no-see-ums off.
Exactly.
This is ideal.
How about this? How about this? I'm going to come right next to you. All right. You make a nice little cake for that summertime barbecue, and you want to transport it, or you want to cover it to keep it fresh.
Or you go to the farmer's market and you buy a fruit pie.
Yeah.
and then you put it inside this and you cover it so the flies and the no-see-ums don't get to it.
Yeah, and by the way, because it's glass on the bottom, you bring that cake, you can serve right out of this. This is a nice, elegant glass bottom, so I could put my cake and serve out of it, and then put that in the dishwasher when it's done.
Go team.
Go time.
Go team.
I love it.
All right, now everybody is super, super excited about collapsible cookware. I love the sale price. I love that it's free ship. This is ideal. We have it in the red and we have it in the gray. I have a Lazy Susan table. It's very fancy, I know. This is the gray all collapsed down. That's all 3 pieces. And then broken apart, you can see it in the red. This is 3 payments of $13.33. And you can put all this in the dishwasher, yes?
Dishwasher safe, yep.
It's all easy to clean. Don't miss out on this, and the free ship is only good until end of day or until the item sells out, whichever comes first.
That's it.
Does this wrap you up?
No, I have one. You and I are going to do a little technique in a little bit.
Oh, wait, I forgot about that.
Yeah, we got one more.
Yes, we have one more. Now, we also have something to remind you about. Is Rachel reminding us about